Texas flooding hits home with Patriots. Elandon Roberts was 11 years old and living in Port Arthur, Texas, a waterfront city located next to the Louisiana line when Hurricane Rita slammed the Gulf Coast in late September, 2005. Roberts and his family were evacuated to the safe haven of Houston, about 95 miles west of their hometown, where they spent the next month. It would be 6 weeks before he returned to school. "It didn't just impact me," Roberts said Monday. "It impacted a lot of people. Sometimes, you've just got to bunker down and just be able to come together as a community, come together as a city and get everything back on track." 12 years later, Houston finds itself bearing the brunt of a storm that could cause an estimated $30 billion in damage, as Hurricane Harvey has, in particular, deluged southeast Texas with record-setting rainfall that could ultimately total 50 inches in some areas since hitting land Friday. Roberts, who attended the University of Houston before being drafted in the 6th round by the Patriots in 2016, reported his parents are holding on tight while dealing with a lot of flooding. Hurricane Harvey, which now stretches through Louisiana, Mississippi and into Alabama and has been downgraded to a tropical storm, is expected to continue until at least midweek. "So now my family's going through this," Roberts said. "My parents are down there, and you just hope they're, stuff like that, there's nothing you can really do about it. What you can do right now is just pray for the area and hope they'll be able to rescue all the people that's trapped right now. Just continue to pray because it ain't over yet and the storm is still going on. Hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday, it'll be cleared up and they can get the area back on track." Roberts is one of a half-dozen Patriots who are from Houston or the surrounding area. Tackle Cameron Fleming hails from America's fourth-largest city. The population of 6.6 million is about 200,000 less than that of Massachusetts, and receiver Danny Amendola and cornerback Eric Rowe grew up about 30 miles north of there. Defensive lineman Malcolm Brown and tackle Adrian Waddle were raised about 75 miles west or northwest of Houston. Fleming's parents no longer live in Houston, but Amendola's dad is in the area and told his son he was doing fine as of Monday. Waddle said his parents have only had to deal with heavy rain thus far, but planned ahead just in case Harvey's path changed from the initial projections. "They stocked up just in case it got worse," Waddle said, noting even after Harvey runs its course it's going to take time before grocery stores are able to replenish their stock with so many roads flooded or washed away. Rowe has a cousin who's in a shelter because his house got flooded and the first floor of his mom's house is underwater. Rowe was a sophomore at Klein High School when Hurricane Ike hit Texas hard in September, 2008. So he knows what his family is going through. "I remember the power going out for like a week straight, flooding in the streets," Rowe said. "You can't go outside, you're stuck inside all day. You're really just trying to stay safe, but you never know. Natural disasters can happen at any moment. Obviously, it's unfortunate, but we're just praying for them down there." The Patriots were in Houston on August 18 to 19 for a preseason game with the Texans at NRG Stadium, where they won Super Bowl 51 on February 5. "It's crazy," Amendola said. "A couple of weeks ago we were just in Houston driving down the same streets that are underwater now. It's unfortunate. Natural disaster, you can't really do much about it except help all we can. That's what we're doing. That's what they're doing down there."